Hello, this is Jorge Cortez again with another video. This time I have the unboxing of the Blackweb screen rotating keyboard case for the iPad Air 2 and the 9.7 inch iPad Pro. Let's get to it. This is supposed to have a battery inside, battery of that will last you 44 hours, and it's got a 360 degrees for the screen to rotate. You can get it at Walmart at a cost of $29. Sometimes they're going special, so look it up. Let's see. Let's go. You can transform it into a kind of a laptop. Let's go ahead and open it. Have the unboxing knife that I just used to eat my chicken. She can, yes, she can. Second seal. Seal. Wow, it's really in there. Back in a second. I was wrestling with it. Okay, finally got it off. Open it up. Let's see what's in it. It's a charging cable. USB, mini USB. What else is in it? Oh, this is really anti-thief. Cardboard. And the case itself. Come out. There you go, kinda heavy. Oh, sorry about my neighbors, they're very noisy. Got a lot of racing cars around. People riding their cars, extreme velocities. And I live nearby a school and a park. Okay, there you got it. It's kind of shiny. I don't know if I like shiny. I want matte more likely, but okay, let's see. Open it up. There's instructions. There's the logo, Blackweb, nice. Instructions on how to use it. It says iPad Air 2. Doesn't mention the iPad Pro, but let's see. Let's try the iPad Air 2 first. Goes in there good. Nice. Let's see how it goes. You can turn it. Yep. As you can see, it's very nice. It rotates. It's got all the cutouts in it for the power button and the headphone jack, the microphones, the volume opening, charging port, and for the speakers. This is very important since the iPad Air only has 2 speakers, but the Pro has 4. Let's see about the other one. I'm gonna pause it and remove this one. Kind of difficult to remove, but I guess that's a plus. See, since it goes in there very securely, it snaps in really easy. And same deal, we got the speaker openings, grills here on top, as well as on the bottom. And a nice logo opening in the back. Very shiny. I guess that's going to attract a lot of fingerprints and stuff like that. See if it's got power. It will does turn on. Well, that's it guys. Let's see how it works later. Oh, let's see if it is smart. Let's see. Close it, and let's see. We close it and we open it. It came out. So it doesn't sit as properly as it should. Or I probably didn't snap it in there good. Okay, let's see now. Is it in there good? And nope. It's not a smart cover. Anyway, that's good. That's it. Bye.